Good morning, class 10th. Today I discuss about the heart. Heart is a hollow muscular organ. It is made up of cardiac muscle. It is found in left side of body. Heart is protected by pericardium layer and is fixed present between the chest. Pericardium layers contains fluid. This is called the pericardium fluid. Pericardium layers, pericardium fluid, skin, muscles, ribs, lungs protect the heart. We have four chamber heart. Upper chamber called atria and lower chamber is called ventricles. Right side heart has two chamber like right atrium and right ventricle. Right side of heart contains impure blood. Left side of heart has two chamber like left atrium and left ventricle. Left side of heart contains pure blood. Left and right side of heart is fully separated by septum, so it is prevent from intermixing of blood, so it provide more energy. Superior and inferior vena cava transfer impure blood from body to right atrium. Right atrium contract and pump blood to right ventricle. Tricuspid valve present to prevent backflow of blood. It only allows flow blood from right atrium to right ventricle. Right ventricle contract to pump blood from right ventricle to pulmonary artery to transfer blood towards lungs for removal of CO2 and taking of O2. Now pure blood enters into left atrium by the help of pulmonary vein. Now left ventricle contract to pump pure blood to left ventricle. Bicuspid valve present in left atrium, left ventricle. Bicuspid valve present in left ventricle and left atrium. It prevents from backflow of blood and it only allowed to pass blood from left atrium to left ventricle. Left ventricle contract to pump blood from left ventricle to whole body. Semilunar valves are present in pulmonary artery and aorta. It prevents from backflow of blood. Heart helps in pumping of blood continuously throughout life without rest. Contraction of heart is called systole and relaxation of heart is called diastole. One systole and one diastole is called one heartbeat. Rate of heartbeat is 72 times per minute. It increases during the exercise, angry, etc. In 1 minute, heart pumps about 5 liters blood in our body. SA node means sinoatrial node is present on right atrium. It also called pacemaker. It gives signal for systole and diastole of heart. AV node, atrioventricular node, it is present below SA node. It is found in right atrium. It is also called pacesetter and helps in systole and diastole of heart. We can feel heartbeat and heart sound. There are two types of heart sound, lub sound, dub sound. Lub sound is first sound and it is produced due to closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valves. Dub sound is produced due to closing of semilunar valve and it is also second heart sound. We can hear heart sound by a stethoscope and by the help of heart sound we can know about the health of heart. Blood pressure. Heart pumps blood into artery. Artery wall expand due to blood pressure. Blood pressure is measured by sphygmomanometer. Normal normal or healthy blood pressure is 120 by 80. 200 by 100 is called high BP, and 100 by 60 is called low BP. Double circulation. Blood enters two times in heart in a complete cycle of blood is called double circulation. Human, birds, frog, snake have a double circulation, and other organisms have single circulation like the fish. Okay, thank you.